All right, guys, we are back with another Jim Hare Don't Care Not Diet Food Snack Edition. This is actually probably a big enough thing. It could be a meal, but it also could be a yummy dip for a game day. So here we go. This is what I did. Well, let's first give you a view of what this actually is. So you can see layers there. Yummy topping. Doesn't that look like your own little personal dip? It's just a small little glass. I'll tell you how much I've got in here in just a minute, but I mean, just look at that. Doesn't that look nummy? So here's what I did. I took leftover roasted sweet potato we had from the other night. I took roasted chicken and mixed Franks on it. And then I took this is the star of the show. Everybody loves this. This is a protein chipotle dip that we use for sweet potatoes, which happen, of course, to be my bottom layer. And as you can see, it's lighter. Oops. Sorry, guys. I don't know how to operate my phone when I'm doing these. Because I was using the chipotle, the Franks on there, I felt like it might be just a little too overpowering. So I mixed it with my Protein Ranch as well. So I have a recipe that I came up with for Protein Ranch dressing. And all it is good, healthy stuff that's protein. You could literally eat a cup of it and it wouldn't matter. And then same kind of base for this, but it's just different chipotle spices. You could also use sriracha in these two, which would be even better. So these are Crunchmaster crackers. They're full of there's brown flour in it, and then the rest of it are seeds. So we love these. My husband has a little bit of a gluten intolerance. No, normal crackers normally bug him. These don't, and they also are not full of a bunch of crap. And on top of that, they're good, full of ingredients that are good for your hormones. So if you're gonna have a cracker, that's good, right? So let's kind of take a little. Can we scoop this with our? Maybe we need to scoop it with our cracker. This is probably gonna fail. That's okay. Okay, there we go. Let's see. That is the cottage cheesy end there. Okay, there we go. Now you can see each layer. You can see the sweet potato layer. Sorry, I took a bite when I was fixing this. Chicken is on the end, and then the dip is in the middle. Do I take a bite? I hate when people eat on TV. I don't understand it. It is good. You should try it. Because I am clearly illiterate in how to make videos like this, I am not figured out how to do a screenshot in the video. So I'll just tell you. The total was 238 calories. It was 20 net grams of carbs, 5 grams of fat, and 28 grams of protein. Because it was roasted chicken, I just logged it as 1.5 ounces of breast and 1.5 ounces of thighs because it was a really good mix when you looked at the meat. That might have been off a little bit. That's okay. I was just tracking for you guys, not because I'm worried about, 3 calorie difference or something. Oh my gosh, you guys. I think this is a new favorite. It's so good.